I know somebody was already hollering, I want to see her down. Well, hiya. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Wig Types. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl still got her water on deck because your girl's still trying to get her snap back, so the goal has got to stay on track. Okay, bars. But I think the wine may be back next week. Shh, shh, shh. Quiet. Now, before I get into this very easy beginner-friendly install plus 3 colors, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never, yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you.
Okay, so did y'all see this install? Did you see the install? Listen, if you were sleeping on this wig, get up right now. Yes, sis, yes. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Wig Types. It is a brand new unit from Outre. It is a part of their lace front series. This is the unit Caprice. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail around $35 to $38 depending on the color that you choose to get for your unit. This unit does come with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I would definitely say this unit is fitting down more big head associate than big head friendly. It doesn't come all the way down onto my sides, so if you plan on wearing this joint back for whatever reason, you may want to do a little razzle dazzle on your sides to get it looking real natural. But for how I have it on my head, it's fitting real comfortable. I'm here for it. The adjustable straps are not on my unit because, you know, it was a little bit too snug. I had to go ahead and bust them joints loose, and now we're sitting real comfortable and nice on my head. Now this unit only comes with a straight back middle part. You do get a little bit of space around the hairline to go do some plucking if you want to, but again, how I have it on my head, all this was not necessary. I did, however, pull some hair out the parting space because, as you know, with this Outre lace front series, the eye part series, the straight back series, they don't really go in with the, you know, the plucking. They don't really give you no type of open parting space or pre-plug hairline as far as I know. Let me see. Yeah, they ain't on the card, so they ain't giving it to you. It does, however, come with baby hairs. So if you want to swoop-de-doop anything, you can definitely do that. But again, how she's on my head, it is not necessary. If you want to rock her out the pack just like this, you can definitely do that. You will need to go and do some work to your hairline to get her, you know, laid naturally. But for this look, y'all saw what I did. You saw what I did. Not necessary because the hairline is hidden, and y'all, we are sitting. You hear me? I was sleeping on this wig because the curls just They were real perfect. The hairline was real perfect. The lace part was real perfect. It wasn't giving me natural. And then I thought about it and I was like, you know what? I think I may be able to do something with her. So I'm gonna go ahead and try her, but I didn't really know what color to get. So as you will see in a few, I got 3 different colors, including this one. And y'all, I'm really excited, okay? I did not watch any reviews prior to buying the units. However, I did watch some the day after I bought them. And y'all, I'm pretty sure her name is PYT. She's the first one I saw with this wig, and I was like, oh. Oh yeah, it's Miss PJ's place, okay? She rocked this wig like, y'all, slayed, okay? Slayed. And then I saw my girl Trendy K. She rocked it as well, similar to the style that Miss PJ Place did. I don't know who did it first or whatever else. I don't really care. I just know they both slayed this wig and gave me an idea, and I was like, you know what? I'm so glad I got this, y'all. There was no shedding or tangling with this unit. You guys saw that I went in and kind of finger pulled through my unit to kind of give me this bushy look. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so if you want to use any type of heat on the unit, you can. Again, for my styling, for my fluffing, I didn't have to do any of that. This is going to be a hot weather staple for me. I don't care what nobody say. If you don't like it, skedaddle, okay? Scoot on out. Get out of here, because I am loving how this is looking on me. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. This one's too long. This one kind of just hanging by. You don't got to be there. You don't got to be there. And it's a middle part. If I want to shift this joint to the side, listen, I think I can do that, sis. Let's go ahead and see what those other wigs are hitting for, because I think they may be a look too. Okay, let's get into that. Let's get into that.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful.
Listen. Listen, y'all see this color on me, the curls on me, it's me for me. We did a side part full wig situation. As you can see right here, it's more height on this side because I want, you know, the side to be lifted, but I still want it to be kind of like a full wig. Y'all, she cute too. She cute. What color is this? This is DR2 Hazelnut, okay? So there we go right there. Everything on the 1B, same thing for this one. Like, nothing is different. Cap construction, the same thing. No shedding or entangling. Like, y'all, it's a look. Y'all gonna have to tell me down below which one y'all like more, because yeah, I don't know. But we got one more color, so let's go ahead and get into that one, okay? Let's go.
Pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh,
Okay, hold on. Now y'all know I had to do a burgundy. You know I had to do a burgundy, okay? So this is DR2, that's the wrong one. This is DR Black Cherry, okay? Black Cherry is a little dark, so you can barely see the red. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you know, it's like a red tint. So, but there is a DR2 Cinnamon Spice that may give you the actual, you know, the brightness that you want. But if you want a more toned down version of burgundy, this dark cherry is for you. I just pulled her up in a little ponytail situation. Be mindful that the ponytail will need to be, you know, checked in the back, because you don't want to walk around Target with your tracks showing, okay? That's Walmart behavior. It's not meant to go in a ponytail, but I'm gonna do what I want to do with my wigs. You hear me? When I say get her, you should have already got her. I feel like any color that you get in this unit will be a banger based on how I was able to style these joints out the pack. But if you don't want to wear it up in a ponytail, you can just take her down. Hold on. I know somebody was already hollering. I want to see her down. Hold on, sis. Just fluff her back on out like that. Ooh. I know. Too long. This one's a little bit too long. Hold up. Y'all, she is a gorgeous wig. I love this wig on me. I love this wig on me. Get this wig. If you still here, I appreciate you, but get out of here. Go buy this wig right now, y'all, in multiple colors, because she's a banger. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Wig Types for collabing with me on this video. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.